Hey guys, no fancy intro today. You're just going to be seeing me do a quick weave bob, so stay tuned. First, you're going to need a shower cap to put over your head so that you don't get any glue on there. You'll also need a stocking cap and place that over the shower cap so that can be your foundation for your wig. I took a 4x4 old closure that I've had for like 4 years and some old bundles that I've had, and we're just going to use that. Now here you're just going to use your weave glue and a hair dryer, so let's get started. Now I've had this closure for almost 4 years now, and it still is like brand new. It looks a little stiff now, but trust me, by the end of this video it'll be revived and renewed. Now I'm just placing the closure down just so that I can kind of get started on the process of gluing my tracks in. Okay, now down to the tracks part. I'm gonna be taking some really old hair. This is body wave hair, but I've had it for years now, so it really don't look like no body wave hair anymore. But I'm just gonna be cutting the tracks to the length of my head and just gluing them on. Let me know if you guys want a step-by-step, in-depth quick weave wig tutorial. I'm just kind of going through here and just putting some commentary, but it's not going to be like, you know, in depth of what I'm doing. So just let me know. Okay guys, now I am finally done. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the plastic cap from underneath and take the time to let the wig kind of dry. As you can see, it's still a little sticky. Okay guys, not too much on me because I am not a licensed hairdresser. I cut this hair the best way that I could. I should have just taken it and put it into a ponytail and then cut it, but I wasn't thinking. But anyway, It took me forever to try and even out this cut, but at the end of the day, it came out pretty decent. So I'll give myself props for that. So as you know, we're trying to get that bob look. So I was trying my best to kind of get that asymmetrical kind of shape going. I think I did pretty well, but if I would have stuck to cutting it into a ponytail, then I think I would have did much better and it probably would have been neater. But you'll see the end result, what I'm talking about. Oh, and I forgot to mention, if you do have shears, like actual shears, this will make this process go way smoother. I just cut my hair with regular scissors. So if you have actual shears, you know, you'll kind of get that layered look, but as well that very clean cut. So I recommend shears for sure, because this took me entirely way too long. And I was just, oh my gosh, I was dreading it the whole time. So now I'm just blow drying the hair out. This process didn't take too long to do, but it really did help after I blow dried it out to cut it evenly a little bit more. I was trying to go for, like I said, the asymmetrical look, and it came out pretty well, but I wish I would have had some shears, or I would have done the other technique a little bit better. So now I'm just kind of fitting it on my head and trying to style it and everything like that. It came out really nice, nicer than what I expected, so I was very happy. Don't forget to go check out my Instagram and things like that just to see the look in itself in its prime. Okay guys, I am back. I basically had to finish the look off camera. Let me know how you like it. Is it doing anything for you? What is it doing? Because I'm just feeling like a brand new person right now. It really takes me a long time to do these, so I'm gonna try and keep them as short and cute as possible. But yeah, let me know if you want to go more into detail, into depth. I really just took some old weave hair that I had and an old closure, and I just kind of put that together and kind of worked my magic. It came out really good though, so just let me know. But I really do like it. It's cute. It's cute. Something to throw on, you know, when you're just running errands. Trying to be a bad bee for today. All right, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys. Wanna meet you, get nice up to you.